Okay, it is like 9 o'clock in the morning and me and Madison are like really bored.
Let's go.
Do something, Maddie. See if you can do something early in the morning.
Yeah. Bad idea.
I want to try something. Here.
Give me the camera.
Oh my god. I almost fell backwards. I don't know what to do. What do you want to do, Daddy?
I don't know. It's cold. It's slippery. No, I'm taking off these shoes. You know what?
Your
Screw 'em.
socks are gonna get wet.
I don't care. Hurry up, do something.
I don't know what to do.
Come here, I'll do something. You idiot. Yeah, I'm gonna end up falling back.
You did it. Yay, Maddie. You did it too.
I was gonna kill myself. Be stupid, like always. Just kidding. Peace.
Hold on. I'm gonna do that really crazy, really weird front flip that I did yesterday. You know this one I'm talking about?
Yeah.
Let me if I can do it again.
I got that.
That didn't work out very well. Not that. No, show me our house. Basically. There's a dish thingy.
Here's me.
I'll just like handspring. Ooh. Oh, that kind of hurt. I don't know what to do. Do stuff on the ground.
What?
Backyard? I don't know.
Do